waiting for the dessert safari guy. He said he'll come and pick up right from the hotel, so we are waiting for him. Maybe he'll come in a few minutes. But the minibus came an hour later. We had booked for evening dessert safari with BBQ dinner. We started off from Bur Dubai to the dessert camp. We were running late and we missed many things in the safari. So, this video will help you to do your Dubai Desert Safari in a much better way than we did. Hello, my travel buddies. Welcome to Reish on Mails. Guys, we have reached the desert camp. It's 5:30 p.m. now. It took around 2.5 hours for us to reach here. I'm so excited. We have lots of things lined up. Seeing the desert for the first time in life was exciting. By the time we reached, sun was already setting and we had only little time left for the activities. So we quickly went for dune bashing. Dune bashing is driving over sand dunes in 4x4 vehicles, and this is definitely a bumpy ride. It is fun, but you need to be healthy enough. Usually, most of the safaris have dune bashing in their package, but Platinum Heritage Desert Safari, which is the best and the costliest of all safaris in Dubai, doesn't offer this. Being an ecotourism company, bashing the sand dunes is a strict no for them. Instead, they take you for a drive in desert reserved spot, local wildlife. So before planning your desert safari, you should decide whether you need an adventurous trip or an eco-friendly cultural experience. We didn't plan enough and we ended up having a touristy time which was way below our expectations. Dune bashing is usually for 45 minutes to 1 hour, and in between they'll stop at beautiful tall sand dunes for taking photos. This didn't happen for us as we didn't have enough time and our ride was cut short to around 20 minutes. We came back to the campsite after dune bashing. Buggy rides and sandboarding provisions were there, but due to time constraints, we did camel ride alone, which was just a 2 to 3 minute ride in a small area. Here we get what we pay for. We went for a basic package and the experience was not good enough. After the activities, we went to the camp and sat down around the stage to have our barbecue dinner. Dinner was not so great, but we enjoyed the shows. This is a glimpse of evening safari we had in Dubai. If you wish to sleep under the stars of Arabian sky, you can opt for an overnight safari. The key to have a beautiful experience in the desert is to book the right operator and choose a package as per your interests, and you will get a day that you will never forget in your life. If you wish to watch more travel videos from me, subscribe to Reish on Mails and press the bell icon. Bye bye.